Supplements for liver health. Do they work? First, let's get to know the liver. Imagine it as the body's detox center, tirelessly working to keep you healthy. It's responsible for filtering toxins and waste from your blood, processing fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, producing essential proteins for blood plasma, storing vitamins and minerals, and producing bile to help digest fats. With so many tasks, it's clear why maintaining liver health is essential. But what happens when your liver is damaged? That's where liver health supplements come into play, at least according to their claims. The market for liver health supplements is booming, with products promising to detoxify, repair, cleanse, and nourish your liver. They also claim to support digestion, boost energy, and aid your immune system. But do these supplements actually work? Many of these claims lack strong scientific backing. While some ingredients in liver supplements may have health benefits, it's important to scrutinize these claims critically. Let's dive into some of the most popular herbal supplements and what research says about them. Milk thistle is one of the most commonly mentioned herbs for liver health. It contains a compound called silymarin, which has been studied for its potential liver benefits. Some studies suggest that silymarin can help improve liver function, reduce liver damage, and may even decrease the risk of liver-related deaths. It has shown promise in conditions like liver cirrhosis and metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease, previously known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Jujube, a sweet fruit, is known for its antioxidant properties. In animal studies, jujube has been shown to reduce liver damage caused by toxins like acetaminophen. A small human study also suggested that jujube syrup might help reduce liver toxicity and enzyme levels in people with drug-induced liver damage. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings in larger human trials. Beetroot is rich in antioxidants and other bioactive substances. Studies suggest that beetroot juice may help prevent fat accumulation in the liver, which is beneficial for people with metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease. Research has shown that beetroot juice can improve liver enzymes and lipid profiles and reduce liver size in people with this condition. Artichoke supplements have been studied for their potential liver benefits. They may help lower liver enzymes and improve liver function. Some studies suggest that artichoke can enhance blood flow through the liver and help with conditions like metabolic dysfunction, associated steatotic liver disease, by improving lipid levels and liver enzyme levels. Dandelion has shown liver protective effects in animal studies, reducing oxidative stress and liver fibrosis, which is scarring. Its antioxidant properties are thought to be responsible for these benefits. However, clinical trials are necessary to confirm its effectiveness in humans. Chanca Piedra is used in traditional medicine for liver health. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances that may benefit the liver. Some studies have found that Chanca Piedra can slightly improve liver enzyme levels and increase antioxidant levels in people with liver conditions. Certain vitamins and minerals may support liver health, especially if you have deficiencies. Here are some key nutrients that have been studied for their liver benefits. Choline is crucial for moving fat out of the liver. A deficiency in choline can lead to fat accumulation, resulting in metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease. Studies have shown that getting enough choline from your diet is associated with a lower risk of developing this condition. However, more research is needed to understand the full benefits of choline supplementation. Vitamin C is known for its antioxidant properties. Research indicates that vitamin C supplements can reduce oxidative stress and improve liver enzymes. Studies on people with hepatitis C and metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease have shown that vitamin C can improve liver health, particularly at specific doses. Zinc deficiencies are common in liver disease. Zinc supplementation has shown promise in treating liver cirrhosis and preventing liver cancer. Long-term zinc use may help maintain liver function and prevent complications in chronic liver disease. Selenium is another mineral often deficient in people with liver disease. Selenium supplements may help reduce liver fat and inflammation, improving liver health. However, the relationship between selenium and liver health is not fully understood, and more research is needed. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that may help with metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease and metabolic dysfunction-associated steatohepatitis, which was formerly known as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. Some studies have found that vitamin E can improve liver enzymes, reduce inflammation, and decrease fat accumulation in the liver. For most healthy people, liver health supplements aren't necessary. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is usually enough to keep your liver in good shape. Here are some tips for liver health. Eat a balanced diet rich in fiber, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Exercise regularly, limit alcohol, avoid recreational drugs, practice good hygiene, and use medications as directed. Some supplements might be beneficial if you have liver disease, but it's important to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Certain herbs and vitamins can actually harm your liver if taken improperly. So in conclusion, the liver is a powerhouse organ that performs hundreds of vital functions. While some supplements show promise for liver health, especially in people with liver disease, there's limited evidence to support their use in healthy individuals. The best way to keep your liver healthy is through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding harmful substances. Always consult with a healthcare provider before taking any supplements for liver health. So, remember to take care of your liver through healthy habits and be cautious about the supplements you choose. Your liver will thank you for it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.